Never throw away a milk carton. You have an empty one at home and think it's useless? Not at all. This simple trick will help you get rid of a very annoying problem for good. Before I tell you what to do with the carton, first prepare a tall container. Pour in about 17 ounces of water. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of strong alcohol. This addition not only boosts the mixture, but also gives it properties that might surprise you in a good way. Then add 1 tablespoon of barley malt. This is a natural ingredient that has been used for centuries, not only in cooking, but also in many household hacks. Barley malt has a distinct, pleasant aroma. Mix everything thoroughly until it becomes one well-blended mixture. Pour it into the empty milk carton. This carton is more than just packaging. Take it to your garden and place it where you most often see snails. Make sure the carton is open and lying on its side so every snail can get in. The smell of the malt works like a magnet, quickly attracting pests straight into the trap. With this trick, you'll effectively catch all the snails that are damaging your plants.